Oh!
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, welcome back to Professional Teaches Noob How to Sing Part 3.
It's part 4.
Part 4. Isn't YouTube life so cool? We're back here with When Nights Sang, trying to teach me how to do some
Singing.
singing.
Oh, but specifically, falsetto singing.
Falsetto? What's that?
That's intense.
Ooh, real quick, can you sing smooth jazz in that voice?
Smooth jazz?
It's like say smooth jazz like on the radio, but in that.
Smooth jazz.
93.9?
93.9.
Nice.
But it's basically like. Just like this floaty thing. And when you're doing it as a man, it's a really soft sound. So for starters though, you have to find the placement. The male vocal folds are meant to have a falsetto range. Female vocal folds don't, but they also have something called a whistle tone, which is that famous Mariah Carey sound. There's a lot of weird things you can do with falsetto. It's a really fun thing. I use it when I just get like really excited while playing video games. Oh. First thing with anything you're trying to learn in singing is you gotta find safe placement, right? It's really just where when your voice cracks, you just keep it where it cracks. So I'm trying to like, yeah, puberty is like a great time to find your falsetto. So, hi, how are you today? It's less about, you can try to sit in a mirror and try to force it to happen, or more so, when it does happen, just try to hold it there. Yeah, we might be a little high. How does that feel?
Intense.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it
like,
tight?
Yeah, it feels like there's like a sausage in my throat.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wouldn't describe it as that, so we might be singing from the wrong place. Where I feel it when I do it, it's like.
Ooh, that's scary.
It's like in the very back.
It's like
not too bad. No. Finding the falsetto placement, it's different for everyone. I mean, Mickey Mouse is a great example. Like
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, howdy there! Just like
Mickey Mouse is permanent falsetto.
yeah, basically, you're just up there all the time. Woo! I don't even know Mickey Mouse that well, but that's basically it. It's just falsetto is just up there. For placement wise, you gotta just kind of figure out where your voice is cracking and just stay there. If you're talking from your falsetto, your voice cracks, you'll feel like, oh, that's where I'm supposed to be. Yeah, another thing that's really easy to do is start at the bottom of your vocal range. Just go like
Start at the bottom.
yeah, and then get up to here. And there's this part of your voice where you naturally switch to this weird other range.
Yeah.
And that's because your voice is trying to protect itself.
Oh.
That's the falsetto.
Easy peasy.
Let's keep going. Start talking. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is Mickey Mouse here. That sounds like it might be the right spot. Your vocal folds, for the most part, are pretty tight, and it's just like a small hole. That's why you get such a high-pitched noise. Now we gotta talk about how do you improve it. Falsetto is like every other part of the voice. There's not really a ton of difference on how you exercise those parts of your voice. And it's just like, it's very da-da-da-da-da-da.
It's like a horse.
What makes you say it's like a horse?
Like a horse gallop?
Kind of, yeah. You feel it. Like it's in there.
Like a horse is galloping on you.
Yeah, I guess you could go like
Oh, Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style, exactly.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And you just keep going up until you hit the very top of your range, which for me, I guess is like... Which is when it starts to get pitchy and you have to be very careful up there.
How do you stand that sound when you do it yourself? Because it's hard for me to stand it. It's like, oh my gosh, that's such a high-pitched noise.
Yeah, I don't know how to describe it. It doesn't really hit my ears as bad. So when we're talking, we hear our voice lower than it actually is, where everyone else is actually hearing it at a higher pitch. And that's just because we're hearing it just a little bit higher. And that's because
That's whack.
It's resonating from your vocal folds to your ears in your head. People always will wonder, like, why do I sound different in a recording than I do and I hear myself? And that's because there's resonance coming from your vocal folds to your ears that isn't going to get captured by a microphone. People always complain about the voice crack in puberty and stuff, but really that is the key to finding your falsetto.
I think puberty is good.
Yeah, I mean, it was my friend when it came to keeping my voice crack. It was kind of like a rebellious action for me. I didn't want my voice to get lower, so I was just constantly like, no, I don't want it! Just like constantly using my falsetto and just like singing to myself, because I like it. I think it's a nice sound, the whole...
That's a nice sound.
Yeah, as long as you're not like doing crazy stuff with it.
Oh, crap.
Pick a note that's comfortable for you to sing in your falsetto.
Right.
But you want to do it in falsetto. Okay.
Ooh.
With falsetto, the best vowel to sing is an ooh. So it's like
ooh.
Yeah, I think this might not be the right note for you, but yeah, really where I can leave y'all at for practice is find that right placement, go into where your voice cracks, and then find the right pitch for you.
Just hold it.
Yeah, trying to hold it
daily.
Every day.
Not just holding it as much as like also doing the exercises like because doing that is going to warm things up, and it's also going to just teach you how to be more comfortable with your falsetto as a whole. Yeah, yeah. Not bad.
Habibi.
Habibi. You're so close to going into your falsetto, but you're trying to stay in your speaking voice.
It's like unlocking the avatar state. You gotta break through the chakras, you know?
Goodness.
Yeah. What's the opposite of falsetto?
Bass? I don't actually know.
No, a true setto.
Oh. It's just where you should put the da-dun-dun. So every voice crack you get, you should just go into it and go like, hey guys, how are you today? And this is my falsetto voice. Ha!
Yeah, Mateo Tunes.
Called out.
Oh. Ooh.
That was... Ooh.
Ooh.
Stay at the high note.
I did a little thrust there, so I got
do the thrust. Whatever gets you there.
Now it's weird though. Okay, never mind. Ooh.
Hold the highest note.
Ooh.
And that's falsetto. Oh mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me, for me. I hope with practice you too may find your falsetto.
Oh,
and
thank you.
Enjoy the beauties that come with sounding like a small child again.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Like this video if you like the video.
If you like.
Subscribe if you're new.
Oh, please.
Comment if you suck at singing too.
Like me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because MRIs is the real professional.
Bye.
Subscribe to MRI, yes. You don't see that every day. You don't. Oh, that's way too high. You don't see that every day.
Oh, okay.